Be it Sushant Singh Rajput or Jia Khan, Robin Williams or global music sensation K-pop singers, celebrities are evaporating into thin air one by one. That has put spotlight on the multi-billion-dollar entertainment industry. Entertainment industry which thrives on addictive numbers, high production value, trend-setting moves and style virtually makes these celebrities a universal phenomenon, a miracle. But in reality, their life is a grim. They live under intense work conditions, extreme media scrutiny, traumatizing online bullying, and industry inside lobbying. And all this has multiple negative ripple effects on their mental well-being. When a celebrity commits suicide, it brings our attention to the fact that success is not about possession of goods of high value, but success is about inculcation of values that we live by. In every 40 seconds, one person dies due to suicide. Overall, all the people in the world annually that die due to suicide alone is 800,000. That is 8 lakh people in the world take their own lives. One of the biggest causes of death in the age bracket of 15 to 29 and 29 to 39 is suicide. National Crime Record Bureau in India, NCRB, claims that in India, every year almost 1 lakh people take their own life. That means every hour 11 people die due to suicide. This is indeed grave. So now let's deep dive into what causes people to take plunge into this horrific act. Trust me guys, suicide is not cowardly, but being self-absorbed and oblivious to the sufferings of our loved ones is. One of the most essential needs of body is not just food, air, water and sex, it is appreciation. And statistically, you'll be surprised to know that this is the most deprived need in any person. Just like we worry as hell about our children and family members having a balanced diet in every meal, we ought to have a balanced diet plan for appreciation. By which I mean, as you plan nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals to energize the body, to build the body and to keep it disease-free, you need to feed your mind with appreciation to keep it positive, healthy and strong. The overall mental well-being of a person is balanced on a very fragile axis, and the equilibrium of this balance based on what is it that you receive from the outer world about you. Do you receive more of criticism or do you receive more of appreciation? Trust me guys, harsh, hurtful and critical words that you tell yourself over and over and over again is the biggest reason, major reason of depression. Being jobless, going through a painful divorce, suffering from a fatal illness, loss of a loved one, these are the kind of reasons depression is obvious in. However, more than 10% of your society living on antidepressants as a way of life is not obvious. Antidepressants do not decrease tendency for suicide. Antidepressants increase the tendency for suicide. So just pause and think. Who are the people who make it to your inner circle of life? And list all your friends and family members who truly matter to you. Do you know what's going on in their life? When was the last time you called them, you reached out to them and asked them how were they doing? Have you ever told them that they could count on you anytime, anywhere, always? So if you want to discover how to take your life in a positive stride when the shit hits the roof, join me this Saturday on the Tea Talks to Detox Listening Ear series. Listening ears, that is, you heal when you are heard. So if you wish to know what goes on behind the scene of the mind of a person who's contemplating suicide and how to help heal such people, so join me this Saturday for a wholesome session on Tea Talks to Detox Listening series.